I go get no pump when you come on foreign. Let me tell you this all Jamaican before you come on foreign. Yeah? Learn for all on your own. Learn for can hold on your own and stay on your own little space. You get me I say? And when you come here say you go compare yourself with the yard. As it relates to having fun. Not whole heap of fun over yourself you have. Yeah, no bars certain way like yard, no dance, no party, no event. And you can't compare. You get me I say over them places are boring, lonesome kill you. You get me I say if your woman there yard and you over here so, you have to can learn to hold it. And you see them girls over here so, they're sick. Whether white or black, you see from them born got them places they're sick. Mentally, emotionally, all of the holiday. So you have to know what to do. You get me I say and they're sick, them body itself sick and sick you have to. You have to know what to do, learn to hold on your own. You get me I say all of you go through depression. Depression are going to kill you. Yeah, because certain freedom you have a yard, you don't have it over here, so you can't even buy a liquor and walk with it in your hand over here. So it a thing out bag, not exposed to the public. Yo, you have to can learn for all your own. I see some of you have family are promising everything when you come over here. So don't be surprised if them let you down, no matter who them be to your brother or sister. After a while, they can reach by the veranda. Yeah. Yeah, man, all in the date they up on the fridge and they know your time soon reach. They want to ask you when you leave again. Because bills start go up, everything start go up in the house. Whole heap of jokes there over them place. Be careful of your friends them place. Don't follow them place. Things where you get to with a yard, you don't get to with it over them place. And no matter which car you have, always remember, Jamaica you born. Them place a kick you out fast you fuck. Yeah man, I get charged I say you fuck. Jokes there I say fuck you up you fuck. There's no one all who come to the place all Jamaica.